Hey there! If you're looking to lock the exposure and focus on your iPhone, you are in the right place. It's super easy, and I'm here to guide you through the process of using AE/AF in the camera app. So let's jump right into the steps. Solution 1. Lock exposure and focus manually. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. Then tap and hold the area of the screen where you want to set your focus and exposure. After that, keep your fingers pressed on the subject for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see the AE/AF lock message pop up on the top of the screen after a few moments. Solution 2. Adjust exposure. Now, with the AE/AF lock set, swipe up or down on the screen to adjust the exposure level to your liking. The exposure adjustment will stay locked along with the focus you just set. Solution 3. Unlock AE/AF lock. Next, if you want to unlock the AE/AF settings, simply tap anywhere on the screen. The focus and exposure will revert back to their automatic adjustments. And that's it! You have successfully logged the exposure and focus in the camera app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!